What if I told you that you have the power to make parts of your screen vanish into thin air just by looking at it? Prepare to have your mind tricked, because today we're diving into the incredible phenomenon known as the fading dots gaze challenge. This isn't some digital trickery, it's a profound demonstration of how your brain processes visual information. Here's how it works. On your screen right now, you'll see a circle of vibrant, colorful dots surrounding a single, small black dot in the very center. Your task is simple, but crucial. Lock your gaze onto that central black dot. Do not move your eyes. Not even a tiny twitch. Keep them fixed, absolutely still, on that central point. It might feel a little strange, but trust me, it's worth it. As you maintain your unwavering stare, something truly astonishing is about to happen in your peripheral vision. Those lively, colorful dots dancing around the edges of your screen. They will begin to fade. They might flicker, become transparent, or simply vanish altogether, leaving behind a blank, empty space where color once was. For some, the entire background might even seem to disappear, replaced by a uniform gray or white. It's like watching a magic trick unfold right before your very own eyes, only the magician is your own brain. So, what exactly is going on here? This mind-bending effect is called Troxler's fading, or sometimes Troxler's effect. It's a classic example of neural adaptation. Your brain is incredibly efficient, and it constantly filters out information it deems unimportant or unchanging. When a visual stimulus, like those colorful dots, remains perfectly stationary in your peripheral vision, your brain simply adapts to it and stops perceiving it. It literally fades from your awareness because your sensory neurons stop firing in response to the constant, unchanging input. Think about it, if everything in your peripheral vision was constantly screaming for attention, you'd be overwhelmed. Your brain cleverly ignores the static to focus on what matters: movement and change. This challenge brings that hidden filtering mechanism right to the forefront, allowing you to experience your brain's incredible processing power firsthand. Did your screen vanish? Did the dots disappear for you? Let me know in the comments below. This challenge is a powerful reminder that what we perceive isn't always a perfect reflection of reality, but an interpretation shaped by our amazing brains. If you loved this glimpse into the mechanics of perception, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending content, and prepare to question everything you see. Thanks for watching.